Bafethu sanibonani, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook. Bafethu, yeah, bafethu, the GOAT of football did what he do best. Bafethu, Leo Messi scored his first hat-trick World Cup at age 40. Like, how are you still outperforming abantu abana 19, abana 20, abana 25 who are, as there are players who are currently on their prime? They are saying they are the best in the world, but they can't do what Leo Messi does. I will take this energy and address it to Bafana Bafana. The whole Bafana Bafana. Mostly lama players are Europe, abo Foster. I think abo Foster, nabo Evidence Mahupa, nabo Stole, they chose the wrong career bafethu. Lama chita befane gabe ubuthishere, ayoba amasoja. Yeah. Ayoba amathishera, ayoba amaphoyisa, ayoba amasoja. Hayi nidlala ibhola bafethu. After watching Leo Messi, I think ngichoose isport esirong. Ngiyaxolisa bafethu. Hayi ngiyaxolisa. You can't tell me umuntu ona 40 bafethu, umuntu ona 40 udlala ukudlula ngcono umuntu ona 20. Hayi. You can't tell me kufanele accept. Like I'm glad I was born to witness uMessi. I'm glad I was born to witness uMessi. Unlike lento engihlezi ngitshelwa ngabo Maradona nabo Pele nabo bani abadlale i-offside ingekho bebaqothela le emapalini. Like bafethu bafana Evidence Mahupa, Lyle Foster, bafethu yini enzima enihlulayo? Yini enzima ngitsheleni ukuthi yini enzima? Umuntu ona 40 angakora 3 goals in one match nge-80 minutes. 80 minutes akore 3 goals. Una 40 wena una 20 uhluleka ukora ukushaya nge-shot on target. Mara uthi wena udlala e-Europe abo Foster. Hayi. No, machita Foster, Evidence Mahupa nabo Sithole nje nabo okona nabo bani bakho abangani bakho lapha kubafana bafana nichoose isquad i-career wrong bafethu. Yeah, you have fooled us enough. Today nje ngibonile ukuthi nina there's something wrong and it's either anikwazi ukudlala ibhola or vele anisama professional football. You are there because nithanda izinto nifana nama politician wethu afuna ukuba ama social media influencer. Ngapha nidlala ibhola. Come on guys, come on.